All right, let's talk about the importance of the Rules Committee in Congress. The Rules Committee, I think we've gone over this actually at the very beginning of the unit, but I thought it might not be a horrible idea to touch on it again. The Rules Committee is extremely important because they set the rules. The majority party is the one that gets to write those rules. So every 2 years, kind of a new set of rules is kind of created, and the majority party is the one that sets those rules up. This is a major advantage for getting things done because they can set the rules that are more favorable for passing something or more favorable for shutting something down if it's something that they don't like. So a lot of times you'll see the Rules Committee will set rules that are, very much to their favor. In that 2-year span, they also can create special rules for certain bills that are being proposed. For example, they could decide this certain thing is going to be an open rule, meaning you can make amendments to this particular proposal. This might be advantageous because if it's controversial, now we can do things to get other congressmen on board. That pork barrel legislation, maybe I'm going to throw something your way that makes voting in favor of this bill a better idea. Or I could make it a closed rule where there are no amendments. Again, maybe this is advantageous because things are confusing as it is. So if I make it a closed rule and you can't make changes as we're debating, now I know exactly what's in front of me. The more changes are made, the more I'm getting lost in numbers, and it gets more confusing. So the rules are definitely done as a means to provide an advantage for yourself as a member of your political party to get accomplished what you want to get accomplished. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. I will sure I'll be seeing you soon. Enjoy yourselves.